People deserve something better than boring. My name's Alexandra Clark, and I'm the founding chocolatier at Bon Bon Bon. Bonbons are like a goodie, and we make good goodies. I think it's very Detroit in the sense that we make a lot of really good things here. We make art that you eat. I had always been a really creative kid, but not super artistic. Like, I hadn't really found my medium, but I was always making things. And the first time I ever had a piece of chocolate that was experiential art, it hit me like, I have a medium. I found it. I was like, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. There is no place in the world that's quite like Detroit. And I didn't know how to make this happen anywhere else. When we first started, it was chaos, and the people who were there were ready to deal with it. Whenever we knew it was going to be a terrifically rough day, we opened and all put on bright red lipstick, like, this is war paint. We're going to get through this. So much of that ride or die mentality that we had is actually ingrained in the employees that we have now. I feel like Adobe Acrobat was part of Bon Bon Bon's business glow up. We're using it across the entire business. Everything from accounting, HR operations, admin, all the way to the hyper-creative flavor development, visual, social media, marketing world. We're using it everywhere. I think in the beginning phase, I had plan A, B, C, D for what if it fails. And I had absolutely no plan for what if it's wildly successful, which is what happened. We've established what we're doing is valuable, and now it's what do we want to do with it, and where do we want to go?